Hey, I'm happy to say I am packed with my Packall. This is the first time I've been able to use it, and I want to show you how I packed it up. So, one night, just me and my son, and we have everything we need in this bag. And there's room for more. Let me show you what we have. So, for myself, this is my toiletries 19. I have my eye makeup, mascaras, eyeshadows. Of course, I don't need all this, but I don't want to have to pick and choose out of my daily stuff. I just want to grab something, put it in the bag. It's not like I'm going away for a week. As well as my 26, which I love. And this, I use both of these every day. I've been using them for well, a year and a half, 2 years, and they're in great shape. These are vintage, of course, so that means, the corners look great, the canvas is still great. And this, I have all my brushes and my powders and hair ties in here. So that is there. So shiny, there's not even a scratch. So this is my 28. And this is nice because I can just throw in my full-size toiletries. So I don't have to get trial sizes or anything. I just throw in all my big items. It holds a lot. It has my toner, my wash, my Sonic Care toothbrush, my full-size toothpaste, because again, I just want to be able to quickly throw it in. I don't want to make a big production out of packing. So I got my son's toiletries. He's got 2 of everything because it's AJ. So he has 2 pairs of pajamas, 2 swim trunks, 2 outfits, 2 socks, 2 underwears, and then I just have 1 outfit, pair of pajamas, my swimsuit, my cover-up, and that is it. Because we're just going down, meet my mom in the Raleigh area. We're just going to hit the outlet mall. We're going to swap kids. My niece will be there and my sister-in-law, and then come back early.